Welcome to the lecture 3 phrasal verb letter B. Bend down. She bent down to pick up the cat. Bent over. The children bent over to pick up the coins. Blow down. The gates has blow down. Blow off. The wind blew her hat off. Blow out. The candle blew out as she opened the door. Blow over. The storm blew over in the night. Blow up. Please blow the tires up. Blurred out. Before they parted, he blurred out, I hate you. Boil over. The milk boiled over the stove. Break in on. Do not break in on when someone is talking. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.